The Kenmore front-load washer may not power on due to several common causes, including a faulty electrical outlet, a defective motor, or a burned line fuse. To fix the problem, start by checking the electrical outlet to ensure it is functioning properly and that the connection to the washer is secure and free of damaged wires. If any issues are found, replace the damaged connections with new ones. Next, inspect the motor, as a worn-out motor can prevent the spin basket from starting. To replace the motor, first power off the washer and turn off the water supply. Then carefully remove the hoses and lay the washer on its front side to access the motor. Remove the motor and replace it with a new one, mounting it in position and securing it with screws. Once the new motor is in place, put the washer back in its upright position, restore the hoses and water supply, and power the machine back on. Additionally, check the line fuse to ensure it is in good condition, using a multimeter to test its functionality. If the fuse is burned, replace it with a new one. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Kenmore front-load washing machine that won't start.